Yeah. Bang. BRC, nigga. $1,000 pair of shades, you ain't even know it. It's $400 shoes, you ain't even know it. She wanna get it every day, you ain't even know it. Ha. But she claim she your lady, you ain't even know it. What? I told you, watch out, you ain't even know it. I'ma knock your lights out, boy, you ain't even know it. Ha. Them BRC niggas hard, you ain't even know it. I pull up in the foreign, you ain't even know it. Man, I hate your bitch every day, boy, like it's our fucking routine. Got your girl all in the wire, but she be in the foreign. Everybody hating, nigga. BRC, them killers, nigga. Messing with them killers, nigga. End up in a river, nigga. I'm back, boy. We scrap, boy, like army toys. Got your girl, she looking hard, but I fuck that bitch like a porn star. Hold up. I told her stop before she reran. Got your girl, yeah, she weed crying. I'm talking stuff cause we blowing loud. That marijuana, weed rain. I'm all about this cash. Your girl is super fine. I hit her with the quarters, but never hit her with the dimes. I'm all about the change. I'm all about the dollars. I make your girl holler, you ain't know it. $8. $1,000 pair of shades, you ain't even know it. Rapping all up in the video, nigga, we going hard. I'm high fuck like the cloud in stars. Everybody be looking, but I pull your card. BRC is my click, nigga. One shot, twist the figures. I'm all up in this stuff, nigga. Say serial numbers, significant figures. Everybody looking, boy. Better stop that paper chasing. Everybody trying to get me hit them with that AK. And every looking at me. This girl looking fatty. She really looking fatty, but that pussy looking nasty. I'm all about these dollars. I'm all about the signs. RC, BRC, DT, my team. Got your girl, yeah, she always let me get between. Hit her up, I go deep till I touch a spleen. And she be looking at me, think about a promise ring. Hell no, I'm believing love. So baby girl, just chill, girl. So listen. Drop the beat cause we scrapped up like army toys. Everybody looking, boy. Better think twice, boy. Ha. And I stay with them shoes. And got your girl looking like the blue clues. Holla, bang. She don't need want no problem. I told her stop before I solve it. I'm a mathematician, not solve it. I'm a training technician. Your girl looking real stupid. Yo, she looking real sickly. I'm all in this back. She finna get the dickies. Ha ha. Yeah.